working with my twin sister. She's my best friend, and she's also my business partner now. But we do have some differences in the way we work. For instance, Ayan likes to micromanage, and I like to divide the work so we can be more productive. Do you guys ever have arguments like that? And if so, how do you resolve them?
I think at the beginning it was a bit more difficult, but we speak differently in general. We'll be saying the same thing, but we think we're disagreeing with each other, so sometimes we'll be fighting about the same thing. So I think it's sort of about communication, and it's also, I don't know if one's more controlling than the other. Is anyone, right?
Yeah.
It's about giving up a little bit.
Controlling.
It depends. It's about giving up a little bit of the control as well, so you guys can have more of a balanced relationship.
Yeah, I mean, we communicate, you know. Like, sometimes I do like to be involved in every aspect of the company, and my sister's like, listen, let me handle it. I can take care of my part, and you take care of your part.
Have you started to make money yet?
We've gotten orders. We're actually booked for a couple of boutiques, and we're growing, and we're excited. We're not at the level of the twins, but we plan on getting there.
Yeah, well, very few people are, so I understand that. So what's the name of your line? What's the name of it?
It's called Matano. It means twins in Somali.
Oh, wonderful. Beautiful. Well, good luck with it. Good luck.
Thank you.
Very best. Thanks, girls.
Thank you. Thank you.
So why did you decide that you wanted to do this book?
I hope it influences everyone, any age, to do something that you're passionate about. And I think that that's really translated is, yes, it is hard, and yes, it is a lot of work. But if you love what you're doing, you should stick to it.
Isn't that the message for all? I think, you know, my generation, the message was go out, find a job, you know, make something of yourself. I think that you all are so fortunate in being able to be role models for your generation because, you know, in every conference I've ever been to on leadership and every seminar I've ever spoken to or been spoken to, the message is exactly what you're talking about. Find out how to get paid for doing what you love.
It's true.
Following your passion, allowing yourself to be paid for what you love will give you a meaningful life. Well, you know?
Right.
Absolutely. Thank you both for being here.
Oh, thank you for having us again.
Thank you. Influences in bookstores on the 28th. We'll be right back. Next, he was born